statement on the platform so last time, and it's very true. They say Ghana has a COVID-19 every day recording new cases. Honestly,
every day recording new cases.
Exactly.
Bas.
Yeah, back Ghana and same one. How can you tell me say during Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo appeal, he proposed 2 presidential jets and parliament no muni back free no more because the presidential jet is not good for purpose. We had people sabotaging him. We had people standing against this thing, saying say it fits for purpose. Ebi kura babonti beka say engineer miensa ndi mienu failure ba ko beye adwuma. Ebi kura babonti beka say na do kura presidential jet dey show na aye dey. God being so good. And the 1 year po, look at what you people are saying now. How can you tell me say you want to buy 2 presidential jets at a cost of 1.2 billion? Meanwhile, we have nurses and teachers in the country that you people are saying say you cannot employ, you cannot pay. What sort of country are we running? Chairman, you are saying and sign your agenda 111. Less than 2 billion. But these people are not doing it. Now, Honorable Shaibu
Jerry.
One of the STEM schools and Nanado AC on the constituency. Looking at the stature and a baby a diner druna, it has been abandoned, you know. Me busam say inti ya chichiro mine and I see ya chichiri obi kro.
Says our area na children hospital so
exactly.
They have left it. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, chichiro mine and I see ya chichiri kro.
The biggest children hospital in the whole of West Africa. They have left it. My
God. Na obeka we say nyina na omo tibon koso their gullible followers will come out to defend this evil act and also insult you and try to sabotage your program. Omo bomb me sure bibia free mu no. Omo parking can pay research in sem hunu nko. How can you tell me say during NPP time your lithium aye wo man mu no any royalties of 10% NDC for say enye but
13%.
Good. And then on mobile, that same lithium, but they are giving royalties of 5%. And only the also Ghana for more and some year new too. NDC for Barbemu, and say NPP for your real fee assemble could be chairman. So Ubekaya within the first quarter, which is the first 5 months, Nanado kono ojoma kono mabosika. But yes, these people went into the local market. That's the treasure bill. Echo board, 200 billion. And then this task can I. And then this task can I recently are 2 forces and say, saying here 75 billion. NDC bomb catcher say, chess kamunu bian and a kukrum 1 seed in the month. Bank of Ghana governor say, chess at the sum of 4.6 billion. And then our mino intina now the war no muye de nya ye na omo kan and then yatiasia hu say na ekom na diom na no muye de na no person be wi Ghana for ekom na diom na no person be wi Ghana for mo promise Emma Women's Bank mo ready budget. I think that this is the 3rd budget I'm working. Where in your budget did this state and say mo baba be so my say just almost the fracadam ne nada ne atro na babaji akonwa no eni atro na babaji akonwa no na me I wouldn't be surprised say 1.2 billion no so me de kwakoto jet no these people are going to steal it, put them in their pocket, going around the countries that they know help them to win power no to beg for one of any of their jets, their own jets to bring to the country.
Home use.
That is it. Obekache say, how can you tell now? Only BB chairman. I said we there be I can will show you to say, in this war position, you know, or share and crowdfund no more sorry, sabotage some kind of institutions or buy no or no dioma to ano, and no dioma to ano. Oti Ghana, okuta black catch me say no apply for passport. Ghana 500 cedi 350 same. As a foreign affairs minister, do you know what's going on in the foreign countries? come and say, oh, apply for passport. You are paying not less than £150. Fuck what Ghana is coming out here. You paying over 2,000 Ghana cedis. I didn't know say yes, sir. But now the time, near £80. Now the time near £80. And no now within 2 weeks now on Saka. Within 2 weeks now on Saka. Who apply for visa within 6 days now on Saka. Inti a day na ye ho e wo man ni mu no ene nya MPs e parliament without any reasonable bia no, then they start passing unnecessary things because omo does change no. Na say do head counting, you see the likes of Collins that amount for now they are rushing into parliament, but when it comes to government business they will be absent. Me say me enka se yakwa kucheska or parliament, they will be present there. You can't see 100,000 Ghana cedi. Everyone was there to take it. But and then no one is there. Today, I'm going both minority and majority, as we have now. Me pe MP bako. Chairman, me pe MP bako. The Bible told me say, and me Bruno wo mani munu ebre. Into this is the bill I'm proposing to the Parliament of Ghana to pass, so that me Bruno wo mani munu omo be he ha omo. Me pe MP bako. From the NPP and from the NDC. From the NPP and from the NDC. Say a mebruno woman no omo bre inti mumi am passes our bill we say na a mebruno omo he han omo. There is none. There is none.
Eno de omonyo.
Exactly.
Eno omonye.
Asa na eduma. Eno no form.
E ba so for youth na omo bre na omo mboa. One. Two the no so no ma for 60 years.
That is my thing.
When the omodi amana ono mu na ba. Eno na happy wo Ghana.
Chama. Asema meka where you need to go yi. Say me pe MP bako. The beba to abonti or the video beba say the youth of the country is suffering, so this is the bill I'm submitting to Parliament. Let us pass this bill so that the youth of the country that is my take on Kennedy Japan. You sat in Parliament for 24 good years. What bill did you take to Parliament? Say, what possible way? Now you know they are complaining of suffering. Before you come and tell me a grassroots member say you are coming for me, so I should vote for you. How can you convince me? We have videos coming from your constituencies, and before such Chamankuti data na only Chamankuti say he went and established someone who was following you for so many years. Why establishes any panel? It took Chamankuti, just a single-handed man, to establish that guy. Into Sani panel, open say no beduechi. Look at the number of people, Reverend Tim Fodwo and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Talking of grassroots and then you do my balam light, I can mention about 5. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Aboma Momejno Samuel Uku is one, Gideon Bwako is one, Kofi Fosun Kansa is one. Name them, a whole lot. But yes, still, we are sabotaging this man, saying this man does not think of the youth. Chama, me pese eneno, ode na nado danko akufado, manifesto for 2016, eto na che mi page a woman say na nado e de NAPCO eye campaign. Tanado never mentioned of NAPCO in his manifesto, but this man came, saw the unemployment rate in the country, and then took NAPCO upon himself. Yeah. We have the likes of Sami Jemfi and other people, Broja Jemfinum, sabotaging it and inciting the youth to go and demonstrate against Nana Danko Akufo because Oma Yedma for 3-6 months, Oma Ketuamai, a year papania, Nana Danko Akufo, or the Yao, any new in a collapse in NAPCO. But I can tell you on authority, say, within NAPCO, no, say NAPCO, I employ Kralmifi and employ Nipamiu, Maslog. I have a family member working in Maslog as it stands now. Kojiari. NAPCO was a good thing. NAPCO came to stay like say when we school are broaching now we are on national service. It prepares you towards the office. We have leaders in our country and in our parliament made up of corrupted leaders and stuff. If you are not corrupt, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia propose MPs spending card. Or say minister, say MP call Abrochra, ne pay DM ni ade ni ehu do this can koye or bounce no account is being made. Inti yenye card way and famomo, yen first can so if you go outside the country, we are going to be able to track everything that you do with the money. These people stood against it. They stood up against this thing, sabotaging it. Why are we doing this to ourselves in the country? Na me ba na to so, and then na to shi see anything. Because now person vice president and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia failed to give it to you. So today you switch camp because Obiasha Obo said go to that camp because Nipan be your vice president. I'm telling you, madam, you are a failure. You are a failure because we have a video of you talking against Napo being selected as a vice president candidate. We have a video of you speaking against Napo. Speaking against say, ya pobi de yamana, yakako na po ya santini. Look at that. How can you say that thing? Today you are there campaigning for someone. Or call a futuno. So what the delegates ne can warn or say under you. District Assembly Common Fund, you sat on it. You sabotage the government. And no about
that's why I read the letter out.
And then what be just why are we doing this to ourselves? Double standard assembly okay. I support you 100%. Any nipana deni year example no. Kwesi kwatin. Kwesi kwatin is so. Me person use the word evil. Amano, but he's an evil guy. He's an evil guy. Why am I saying he's an evil guy?
Abua papu so kan.
Me ba o chairman. Ye wini ye call prime minister. Who said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? I'm a living testimony. We went to them to give us everything that Nana Ludanko Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has done in the education sector. This guy stood on his ground telling us, and no man will pen drive so, but he's not going to give us today, he's not going to give us tomorrow. Sana kwesi kwa atin here. We have NPP. One NPP for like they are well-known NPP people. Some going to him, begging him on their feet, say school placement, baby, I do a mama atono a kwanwa into a bit maybe be a fan on your mom refuge. You know what he told them? He told them, say, he told them clearly, say, school placement to bet me you, but it will cost them some money. And Kwesi Kwatin was charging not low as 20,000 Ghana cedi. That was how much he was charging per placement. In took us a sunny power zero. Unfair buffon conquer 20 NPP ana. Then Yababe John said, then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia then. And then Pana Papa no ye. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Bonnie Ben Pana Papa no ye. I'm betting ye John Cassie say. Look at someone like Abua Papo, Anna Minia Yiken. Nana Ludanko Akufo-Addo, out of nowhere, saw some kind of potential in you, gave you the benefit of the doubt, go to Ghana Gas and provide them. And I said, and produce something better there. You went there. We had the youth of MPP, the grassroots of MPP, coming to your office to seek for position, to seek for job. Oba ne beba, o peso di na chika form, ansa no ama na adwuma. Bema ne beba, o peso ni ni atwempna, ansa no ama na adwuma. And his own boss stood on a campaign platform telling the people of Kintamponov that Astrotefno, many a diashem so, Babenya Mamu and Eminia Mamuchna. Do you think, sir, the faithful NPP person is going to vote for someone who is saying something like this? It's a no. And yes, still, they will turn around and come and do what? Blame Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. During Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign, Can Japan can send me near Mubebe near Biancoso. Also, ye then Otan Quadua, no in America. Ye Busan so Quaduna no time, no any wine. Or Quaduna Otina, no way in America, no any wine. You stood on a campaign platform pretending as if you were campaigning for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, me say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia lose we no lose you know, a fan baby no, the voice may a very good. Very good because was it not this same Brandon Champon who stood on some of his words? How can you stand on a campaign platform saying, say, yeah, farmer money, yeah, farmer much now. What were you inciting there? You were inciting war. You were inciting war. So the NDC caliber followers also make you know, say, if you come with war, we are more violent than you. We are more violent than you. Now, me there, the Biamekan, me, I'm not going to talk about A+. He can take his foolishness somewhere because that guy is empty. That guy is empty. He has sat in parliament. All he knows or all he's good at is to go to parliament and be sleeping. He does not think of the people of his constituents. He does not think of his constituents. And his constituency needs to be ashamed of themselves voting for such a guy.
They say, brah.
Okay, good morning.
The Flem Solomon make a separate Sophia Manfo. How come I ground was a the two TV news, minimum quana so pass, they join the Kuju and MP or Honor. How come a quiet so no hof one, Ufreja Kamaso, a conquanta number 1. A consunya me and woman's word decwana galamsey, womad decwana who Mr. Bracco, first were rebel, whose you talk, can't come, a tomb maybe a can't be genetry. Na jinipa na kwa aguna na kumase fo no nso abesi wo mu wachiri enim kwa no so kakra awon na dwa na kudwo nso ade ba kwa amdwene ho amtiaze ma me no ye gala ni binti ni machine
so only evidence to that effect. I want to go to my discussion allegedly akwaro mo pele ni wa wate na beto e badafo allegedly.
Okay, one casa why he but
now Franco, I mean,
oh no.
You answer a day.
Maybe I don't open up even for you. Don't you know? Nasma what can he's trying to turn down.
So I saw you have a pay. You need evidence to that effect. Say John Akujo, the member of parliament of the area, Eye Galamsey, and he mean so so. And I render an apology on behalf. Say we no crab by. You need evidence. Bia, and also provide any evidence. And mommy, yeah, bit your mama man a quaint. I'm gonna be 6.3. Or this answer that to Jaban Tibia or Chinabi or mommy evidence. Yeah, no man a quaint need to me. This answer no abba. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. And I paid the meeting a medicine Mohoye, only my brother Franco. Your friend George, because every Western region, Takwa. Bakwame, Yami Ishram, lost in TV, lost in radio. Yeah, the TV na enjoy. Yami Ishram Tichu, morning show, Moye. Nyama Modigu Aquamomayan, a brother in TSSO. Ukre mobile nche nso nima moye no Bakwame ano den free sports enam kinebenti e follow mo pa na the way yes sorry anopa ba adwuma ma yesi etie morning krenya meni lost in TV nyamisha mo Dr. Bakwame Western region no kre mpenifoni dia bro Bakwame mpenifoni dia bro penifoni dia bro Nkankan wa batakwa takwa
Lawson FM 96.3
any town roads bia ye papa o fe makase o dodge traffic afa baby ti traffic echi wa wonna musa
Munkafra. Good morning.
Hello KT. Pacho good morning.
Good morning.
We me born Franco no timini ni na aba so na no pay. The frame Jessica me maso me kasa free offense wa nyine susu. Mo bo modern pa bo o my Ghana. Na KT asama Franco kan no kretro do phones no bi wo ho no a ekura wa na no afre baabi. Masa me a me die titiri kura me ne me dia voice ayi die brewi. Utimo ho no bi afre wa da ya wa afre me be 30 seconds. Me peke ya won kasa. Wo ho nso be him na wo so wo wata so wo be yi be na afre obi. What's the master? Me pa chu katene mami nti ye na no kure pa we kura na me de kasa yi etimi ye bibia bi wa bra me bu so ye record yi e bo ma ba so me da
Lawson FM yenimwa
phone bears no. The phone bears.
Me say, me say no be see you. Enya report me say, me ma hu bia phone ne da ho na no afre obi. Expiring date aka no nzo mo expiring date. Entina, wo da me kana wo say. Eni fre obi. Serious o, eni fre ni pa no.
How's that possible?
Of a woni mi ne me ya.
How's that possible?
Eni asa woni ni o. Me say, eno atimi fre obi. Na nya nso bia fra ka cho say opa cho katere ma ne da. On di bi da.
Say
wo wa frɛ me ebia wo frɛ me edi nkomo da bia wo frɛ me kwamna no kasa kwamna me so katene ma me
na wa ka kyerɛ o
ai wo ntimi nkate wo ho
dededi
akasa o kasa agora mi kadi
okay ebia phone a freezy bbc
na wo phone papa freezy
oh anything happen oh it happens
phone papa
no network crack my phone freezy and there but the phone da ho na no bia di gbere na wa hwewa na fra
papa unyini
Wow!
Ni permit my first. I want
Lawson FM.
Also, I can't answer one friend.
Okay.
So, for you soon, I papa India. For you soon, you can't be bored. Teams are more for best or India. Hey, Messi.
Yo. Good morning.
Welcome. Good morning. We get this and Uncle Padumti. When you're welcome. And ye is a quiet some more can. Maybe crew no akese. Or Bosum to constituency contest. Na ba kwa me se ofi kumase na ida se wo kwa yi program bi a wo ku bia no age so pe working gia show wo dware wi a wo show working gia na wo ku dru a wa se dware ansa na tade a wo de ko se wo kwa yi wedding engagement and other programs wa sa sha tade no ba kwa me eno no nti last year bom to ma nto bi if it's a mintimi nya education minister regional minister and party
96.3
Simon Semensa and Dr. Yawaduchum. Namuina more constituency back, not quine, a fine one to me and your quine. And Japan to be the back of a contest upon Monshan among your pan.
Mate, Medasi, good morning.
Hello, Kwame. Good morning. Me pacho, who's a moya pa. Me share my young payer, and my say, Obi video be a send them or a jacama. So, me name that cry of class a video in there, but just Monday, which was I think on the 16th or 17th, that was on the 17th, me fast. Almost 2 coins there, almost the greater 2 coins from us. Say, a come there, that's the baby crabby nice and but say that to say, dear, minim dear, because that Monday night for names into minimum be so no turn. I'm
96.3.
Say, dear, much of coins and a wolf and dear.
No, Mate, Medasi, good morning.
Good morning, and okay. Welcome, Mr. I say we did hear Mr. Wadawoma. Yeah, be quite a honor me free in Patamuho. I believe be a when you card and now over sport a bar. I don't turn in Santa Cranca Canaja. Bear 3 years in a Oboka Crama or DECG. Emma Necani to
Lawson FM 96.3.
Light ye near whom name film moon. That one you could check for the pool so. Will be a casa on a connection. I 2 bear no more 3 years in the NBA that ye team patamun in a black musuma moncradum mobile be a bidia dance here. Bear busumina abwe ja obi who the mobile say obeys ban as I money bill. Inti omo yes omo kwa kutua 2001 na e kana na wode no ai ninti ECG bi twa ahoma Philip so no. Omo ko ECG officer ba pa me mita ye twum bear 3 years ni no. Ma me de ka 14,000 140 million. Brapam, yes, sir. We the move from sense from the ECG for Yanshu ya or Mobu a Kayaguma issue. Yes, sir, ma. Says ye, my meno, I can't put you 1,009. And now Mojeno, 100 seasons memu be a kind assume abe a connection aman. Namiadum, ya ye, Nanso.
Lawson FM.
1,009 or Muchian at Amaka balance of 12,000 plus. A balance of 12,000 plus.
Me that say, Mama Namoka and Rambo, other issues,